I desperately need your help. Hello guys. So we are having a major kitchen remodel problem. We honestly thought we were 98% of the way there this morning. And then this happened. We got the big window in. I was clearing off the counter from the big disaster that has ensued. As I was wiping down the counter, I was like, what is this lump right here on the counter? I don't know why the phone is changing picture color. I don't know why it's doing that. But anyway, my countertop has cracked. This is the seam. Because I have such a big countertop, we had to put two pieces together, or the contractor did. This is the seam right here, and it goes all the way down here and all the way down there. The whole entire way. Can you see that? Can you see where it's cracked right there? See? And then, as we were inspecting, we noticed it is lifting here, and the epoxy is lifting here. I think if I wasn't so numb, I would be crying. Probably $5,000 to $6,000 we've spent on this countertop. We are pretty sure what's happened is Wyoming has never had this much moisture before. I don't think. It's been one of the highest rain seasons they've ever had. And I think the humidity was just too high. They did not finish the underside of the countertop. So we think because they didn't finish the underside, the humidity has gotten in there and now the countertop is expanding. So I desperately need your help. The only options we can think of are to chisel out the whatever you call it, ridge, and put silicone in, but that's gonna collect dirt and stuff and get real nasty. Put another thick coat of countertop on, another thick coat of epoxy on. And then we have another month cure time on top of the expense already. Another month, oh my goodness. The other option is to get laminate and have a countertop company come in and just put laminate on, which I'm totally okay with. I have no problem with laminate. It's just on top of already losing $4,000, $3,000 or $4,000 on the window. And then this was $5,000 or $6,000. Okay, so if you have any suggestions, we would greatly appreciate your help. We are going to do some researching. Contractor's going to do some researching. He's never seen this before, but he did say that they've never done butcher block before. So if anyone has butcher block with seams that you have put epoxy on, have you had this happen? We use what's it called? StoneCoat epoxy is the one that we used. I don't think calling them or emailing them is going to do any good, because I emailed them on cure times when we first started this project, and it was, I don't know, 8 or 10 weeks before they responded to me. It was a ridiculous amount of time. They said they were just too busy. So I don't think contacting StoneCoat is going to do any good. So if anybody has any ideas, please let me know. Thank you.